Good morning, everybody. This is Rob from CTOUCH. Many times you get a question if you can annotate, write on top of a website. And if you use the Google Chrome browser, this is possible because you just open the Chrome browser, go to the Chrome Web Store, and in the Chrome Web Store, you just type in Spade, S-P-A-D-E, in your search bar. The Spade tools are opened, just tap on them, just add them to Chrome. And you need to give permission to do so, so add the extension. Now it's downloaded and installed, and you get two options. Either to sign up, and of course, then use it to save things, or continue anyway. It straight away went to the tutorial, so spade.tools/tutorial, that's where you can find all the tips and tricks. You can start tutorial. I'll speed things up. At the left side, there's a toolbox. You can open it by tapping on the toolbox. You can just straight away make annotations. You can select a different color, select a different thickness of the color, and just write. And the best thing is if you use two fingers. You can scroll, make a different annotation, and scroll back. And as you can see, all the annotations are at the same position as where you left them. Over here, you have the marker. Again, select the thickness of the marker. And the best thing is a straight line straight away. You have the option for eraser if you made a mistake. And you have the option for a text box if you want to put in remarks on top of the website. As you can see. You have the undo button and the redo button. And over here you have the toolbox where you can just drag the annotation to a different position. At the bottom, you have the option to close the tool, to share your annotation to like an email address, or to download your annotations to your computer. And that is how you make annotations on top of a website using the CTOUCH touchscreen.